has the ID for the currently selected module, right, which is grabbing it from this placeholder in the URL. And we can use this API over here, right, that can retrieve the lessons for a given module. Okay, so let's do that. Now, before we do that, these IDs for the modules, right? These are all fake modules, right? Ideally, these would be modules that are real, right? That they are modules for a specific course, right? So why don't we do that? Let's this module, right? We never rendered this for real modules for the course. So let's do that first, right? So let's go to the module list. In the module list, right? We had received the course ID. We had received the module ID. Let's fetch the real modules, right? And instead of using this hard-coded list in this array, right? So again, we can do fetch to retrieve the modules for a course. So if we look at all the modules, if we look at all the modules, where are they? Let's see, modules. These are all my modules, which have different courses who are the parent of these modules. So I have lots of modules, right? But for specific courses that I might have or might not have, right? So let's do that. We can retrieve the modules for a specific course by using the following API. We do courses. If we click here, right, and we say courses, the ID of the course, and then the modules, right? These are the modules for that specific course. Okay, so let's do that. We're going to fetch. We're going to use this URL to fetch those modules. There they are. And here, instead of having hard-coded this course, we're going to make this a placeholder for this .course ID. Right, and once we have that, this is going to come back with a response. We're going to retrieve the JSON, and then we're going to copy the modules that comes from the server. We're going to copy it into our local state variable, and overriding the hard-coded array. There we go. So we have module. There we go. See that? These are modules for course CS1800. So if we go back and we select a different course, these are a whole bunch of modules in the course CS5500. For CS5610, I have some other modules, and for 5200, I have a whole bunch of other modules. And if I click on one of these, notice that this is the ID of that module. See that? Right? And is being passed over to the lesson tabs. And the lesson tab is going to do the same thing. It's going to grab the ID of the module and fetch the lessons for that module. So let's do that.